Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the chapter pollution. This is on page number 148 of your book. So let us understand what we understand by pollution. See, you must have heard from all the discussion around us that environmental pollution of all the troubles, all the problems that human being is facing at this moment, not only human beings, the entire world and all the life forms as a whole. One of the most important problems that we are facing is one of the most serious threats that we face is environmental pollution. Now, what do you understand? See, this environmental pollution, it is not only a hazard or a threat for human beings, but also for all kind of animals, plant life and also marine life. Now see, because when the environment, the air, water, soil comes to be polluted, it may cause severe illness in all kinds of life forms. You know, when land is polluted, the availability of land becomes less. We get lesser amount of land to use. You know, when water is polluted, fishes and other aquatic life and other life forms that live in water, they are affected. Air pollution in general affects all kinds of animals. So in this way, pollution is a great threat to every kind of life form on earth, including human beings. Now see, what do we understand by pollution? Pollution means the addition of harmful substances. The addition of harmful substances into air, water and soil. Now, how is this harmful substances added? Who adds these harmful substances? Unfortunately, harmful substances being added in the environment is totally the doing or contribution of human beings. It is human activities generally that add. See, like, you know, polluting gases and smoke come out of industries and vehicles. There are effluents effluent means liquid wastes coming out from industries, the sewage water coming out from our homes, the use of chemical fertilizer and insecticides in agricultural fields, production of too much sound or bursting of too much crackers. These are all the human activities, even mining. So these are all the human activities that cause environmental pollution and is a serious threat to the life of human beings and all kind of life forms. First of all, let us discuss the effect of air pollution. See, what is air? Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air which is made up of basically a number of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, CO2, helium, methane, etc. And apart from that, there is also water vapor and dust particles in the air. Now see, all these gases that are there in the air are very well balanced. But human activities very often disturb the natural balance of gases in the air, and that causes air pollution and leads to environmental hazard. For example, industrial activities, automobiles, etc. lead to the increase of gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the air, and that causes pollution. See, chemical reactions which take place in the air as a result of the input of greater number of hazardous gases, it also has an effect on biosphere. Biosphere means the sphere of the living world. That is the sphere, that is the world of living things, human and other living things. These chemicals, you know, what happens is, these chemical reactions use the power emitted by the sun to make gases from the air and nutrients for the soil. This is called biogeochemical cycles. Energy nutrients are the basic building blocks of life for all living beings as provided by these cycles. Now let us come to the nitrogen cycle. See, human activities have caused imbalance in the nitrogen, carbon, oxygen cycles. For instance, when we use, যখন আমরা প্রচণ্ড বেশি পরিমাণে নাইট্রোজেন রিচ আর্টিফিশিয়াল ফার্টিলাইজার ইউজ করি, তখন কি হয়? যখন বৃষ্টি হয়, বৃষ্টির জলের সঙ্গে এই নাইট্রোজেন ফার্টিলাইজার্স get washed away, and this water washes into streams, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. When this water from the fields, which is mixed with nitrogen for fertilizers, enters the water bodies, it encourages the growth of bacteria because of the nitrogen present in the rainwater that is getting washed into these water bodies. And when there is an abnormal growth of bacteria in water bodies, this affects marine life in the seas, rivers, lakes, water bodies, etc. Again, see, the carbon and oxygen cycle they support life on earth, because you know that all animals, they breathe in oxygen, breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide, breathe out oxygen. But when this cycle of carbon dioxide and oxygen is disturbed because of the burning of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum, carbon dioxide is produced, unnatural amount of carbon dioxide is produced. And when this unnatural amount of carbon dioxide is produced, what happens? See, you see in your book on page number 150, it is given that today, nowadays, because of all these vehicles and industrial activities, we are producing 5 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year. Now, when this excess carbon dioxide gets into the atmosphere, microscopic life in the ocean called phytoplankton absorbs this carbon dioxide, and the same is released into the atmosphere, absorbed by the forest, etc. But the situation gets worse when huge amount of vegetation on the earth is destroyed. এবার দেখ, তার মানে ব্যাপারটা কি, animals and man, we are taking in oxygen and producing carbon dioxide. Now, when in addition to the carbon dioxide that is being produced by animal life, when there is this huge extra amount of carbon dioxide getting into the air as a result of running of vehicles, industrial activities, so on and so forth, what happens? The amount of carbon dioxide, see, this carbon dioxide has to be taken up by plant life. Then the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen will be maintained, because plant life will take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen for us. But unfortunately, when side by side we are destroying plant life, we are cutting down trees, what is happening? Number one, the amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere being taken in by this plant life, that is getting lessened. So carbon dioxide is accumulating in the atmosphere, and side by side the amount of oxygen being produced by plants is also being reduced. So gradually carbon dioxide is accumulating in the atmosphere and the amount of oxygen is getting less and less, and this is disturbing the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. And see, another result of this is what? See, carbon gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, etc., they absorb sunlight. So when the amount of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is increasing in the environment, in the air, then what is happening? The air is getting hotter, air is getting warmer, and this is leading to global warming. Now see, what are the bad effects of air pollution? Number one, if the air gets polluted, man develops breathing trouble, and we are at a higher risk of becoming asthma patients. Second is, see, when exposed to ground ozone for 6 to 7 hours, people suffer from আমাদের লাংসটা ফুলে যায়, respiratory inflammation. যখন ozone level in the air increases, our lungs expands. Air pollutants কি করে? Mostly carcinogen মানে হচ্ছে, it's a substance that can cause cancer in our living tissues. Therefore, when we breathe in polluted air for a long time, we run the risk of contacting cancer. Again, see, breathing in too much polluted air, it disturbs our digestive system, it disturbs our immune system. Immune system means the power of the body to fight against diseases, and it also impacts badly our reproductive system. Similarly, increase in air pollution also increases the risk of heart trouble. Again, toxic chemicals, toxic means poisonous chemicals, getting released into the air often settle on plants and water bodies. When we consume these plants or drink such water, the poison travels up the food chain. That means the water, suppose for example, the water that is poisoned by the poisonous things in air settling on the water, when the water becomes toxic or poisonous in this manner, now this is taken up by plants. This water, when taken up by plants, that poisonous substance, it enters the plants. When that plant is eaten by a goat, then that poison travels into the goat, and when we kill the goat and eat it, the poison enters our body. So like this, the poison, the toxic element is traveling up the food chain, from the lowest element in the food chain to the highest element in the food chain. So these are the different kinds of negative effects, bad effects of air pollution. Now let us see what is the effect of water pollution. See, what is water pollution? When toxic elements are added to water, when toxic or poisonous elements are added to water, it leads to water pollution. Now see, human health, just as human health is badly affected by air pollution, similarly human health is also badly affected by water pollution. Number one, as a result of water pollution, certain microorganisms grow in water, which when we take in along with the water may cause various diseases. When toxic elements, that is poisonous elements, are present in water, if we take in that water, the poison travels into our body, and in such polluted water, stagnant water, we find mosquitoes breeding, and these mosquitoes act as carriers of malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. Again, when we take in contaminated water, that is when we drink polluted water, what happens? Various biological agents, polluting biological agents are present in the water, and it causes various diseases in human body. Now what are the diseases that are generally caused when we drink poisoned or contaminated water? Number one is hepatitis, which is caused by a virus present in polluted water. Diarrhea, which is a acute disorder of the intestines, occurs because of drinking polluted water. Cholera is caused by certain poisonous living organisms in water. When we drink water containing these poisonous living organisms, we fall victim to cholera. Typhoid is also caused. Typhoid, boils, ulcers means boils inside the body, boils in the stomach. These are all caused when we drink poisonous or contaminated water. Another very interesting but a very disturbing thing that takes place because of water pollution, this is very important, it can come for a short note or maybe 1 or 2 marks, that is eutrophication. What is the meaning of eutrophication? Eutrophication means, see what happens in eutrophication, let me explain, it's not explained in detail in your book. Let me explain to you what eutrophication is. It's a very important and interesting phenomena that happens. See, what happens is, see, when we apply chemical fertilizers, that is basically fertilizers rich in nitrogen. See, nitrogen helps in the growth of plants. Now, when we apply too much chemical fertilizers rich in nitrogen in agricultural fields, এরপরে যখন বৃষ্টি হয় অনেক সময় দেখা যায় সেই বৃষ্টির জলের সঙ্গে মাঠে আমরা যে নাইট্রোজেন রিচ কেমিক্যাল ফার্টিলাইজার অ্যাপ্লাই করেছি সেইটা বৃষ্টির জলের সঙ্গে ধুয়ে যায়। আর বৃষ্টির জলের সঙ্গে ধুয়ে এই জলটা ইট এন্টার্স ওয়াটার বডিজ লাইক রিভার্স, স্ট্রিমস, lakes, ponds, etc. Now what happens? This water in the rivers and lakes and ponds and streams, etc. This water comes to contain too much quantity of nitrogen, and because there is too much quantity of nitrogen, what happens? In the water, shawla and other water plants that grow, especially algae মানে ওই দেখবি সবুজ সবুজ শ্যাওলার মতো দেখতে হয়, জলের ওপর, পুকুরের জলের ওপর দেখা যায়। দিস গ্রোজ অ্যাট আ ভেরি ভেরি র্যাপিড রেট, এবং আলটিমেটলি হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স, দ্য ওয়াটার কামস টু বি covered with such algae, and the water is ultimately polluted and it is not usable by human beings or other animals. এবং এই যে অ্যালগিগুলো, এই অ্যালগিগুলো কী করে জলটাকে একদম নষ্ট করে দেয়। ইট বিকামস আনইউজেবল ফর হিউম্যান বিংস। নাও সি what is the effect of the various harmful chemicals that are released into the air, water and soil as a result of pollution. See, chemical pollutants, those pollutants, the chemical pollutants of diverse nature, নানার ধরনের chemical pollutant are produced by industrial and agricultural activities of human beings. কারখানা থেকে এবং আমাদের এগ্রিকালচারাল অ্যাক্টিভিটির ফলে নানা রকম কেমিক্যাল রিলিজ হয়, অ্যান্ড দিস কেমিক্যালস আনফর্চুনেটলি দে ফাইন্ড দেয়ার ওয়ে ইনটু ড্রিঙ্কিং ওয়াটার। এই পলিউটেন্ট এই ধরনের যে কেমিক্যালস উইচ আর পলিউটিং দ্য সোর্সেস অফ আওয়ার ড্রিঙ্কিং ওয়াটার, এগুলো কি? দিজ আর ভেরিয়াস সলভেন্ট। সলভেন্ট মানে জলের সঙ্গে যেগুলো মিশে যায়। দে ইনক্লুড ডিটারজেন্টস, সাইনাইডস, মিনারেলস, সালফাইডস, etc. And some of the minerals that enter water are fluorides, arsenic, nitrates, pesticides, cobalt, cadmium, tin, etc. এবার দেখি ফ্লুরাইডস যখন জলের সঙ্গে মিশে যায়, such water, drinking such water causes a disease called fluorosis, and it affects the joints of the bones and also our teeth. When lead enters water, it affects our nervous system and also it affects our bones. See, if we drink too much water which is poisoned with lead, it affects our nervous system and it also affects our bones. Pesticides are those medicines which are used in plants to kill germs, kill harmful substances in plants. এই পেস্টিসাইড যখন বৃষ্টির জলের সঙ্গে ড্রিঙ্কিং ওয়াটারের সঙ্গে মিশে যায়, if we take this kind of drinking water which is polluted with pesticides, আমাদের শরীরের ভেতরে টিউমার মানে বয়েলস ইনসাইড দি বডি, দিস ক্যান হ্যাপেন। আমাদের শরীরের ক্রোমোজোম স্ট্রাকচার এটা অল্টারেশন হয়ে যেতে পারে, ব্রেন ক্যান বি ড্যামেজড, দ্য পাওয়ার টু গিভ বার্থ টু চিলড্রেন মে বি লস্ট, অ্যান্ড উই ক্যান ইভেন ফল ভিক্টিম অফ cancer. Arsenic is another very dangerous metal that gets into drinking water. Because of this, we develop a burning sensation in the stomach. We develop a vomiting tendency, nausea মানে আমার মাথাটা সবসময় একটা ঘুরছে এরকম একটা ফিলিং। আর বেশি পরিমাণে যদি আর্সেনিক নেওয়া হয়, if too much arsenic gets into the body, you may develop breathing trouble to such a great extent that you may die. And it also affects, along with that, it also affects our, it may cause vascular failure in our body. Taking too much arsenic may cause vascular failure in our body. Vascular failure in our body means the arteries and the veins that carry blood throughout our body, this system may malfunction and even cause, which may lead to our death. Similarly, see, mercury damages the nervous system. it leads to sleeplessness. Our body, begins to shiver. What our gums, the gums of above our teeth, they begin to bleed. They begin to bleed. And diseases like Minamata is also caused. Now, what is this Minamata disease? What happens when you suffer from Minamata disease? See, Minamata disease, what happens is, it affects your neurological, that is, your muscles become very weak, your hands and legs become weak, and your eyesight is affected, and your hearing, speech is also affected by Minamata disease, which is caused by mercury. So this is the dangerous effect of mercury. Again, if there is high nitrate content in water, what happens? We suffer from a condition that is called methamoglobinemia. Methamoglobinemia. It's a very heavy name. Let me tell you what it is. It means that when this happens, what it means, see, your blood carries oxygen to the various cells of your body. Now, when this disease happens, what happens is, the amount of blood that is being carried by the blood to the various cells of your body, it decreases. Okay, it decreases. So this kind of disease, what happens is, the blood is not able to release the oxygen it is carrying into your cells. So this can happen if there is high nitrate content in the water that you are drinking. And high nitrate content in the water that you are drinking, it mostly affects little children. See, similarly dangerous is soil pollution. Soil pollution is also similarly dangerous. Soil is mostly polluted when we add too much chemical fertilizers during agricultural process. When we add too much chemical fertilizer to our agricultural field, it leads to soil pollution. See, when there is rainfall, the chemical fertilizers used in the fields, they are washed away with the rainwater into lakes and ponds and rivers, etc. But a large part of this water, it seeps down into the soil and goes to the underground water table. And as it goes through the soil into the underground water table, the soil gets polluted. See, this makes the soil vulnerable. Chemical fertilizers do damage when they are washed into waterways, lakes and underground aquifers, that is underground water. They also poison water supplies and kill aquatic life. তাহলে দেখ, এই ধরনের কেমিক্যাল ফার্টিলাইজার যখন নদী, লেক, ওশানে যায়, তাহলে এই বিকজ অফ দ্য কেমিক্যাল কন্টেন্ট অফ দি ফার্টিলাইজার্স, হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স, অ্যাকোয়াটিক লাইফ, মানে জলে যে প্রাণীরা থাকে তারা, দে আর এফেক্টেড। এছাড়া the natural balance of the soil is also destroyed by these chemical fertilizers. এর ফলে the soil becomes vulnerable to erosion. কারণ এর ফলে কি হয়, অনেক সময় দেখা যায় সয়েলের যে নিউট্রিয়েন্ট, মানে যে নিউট্রিয়েন্টগুলোর জন্য সয়েলে ফসল হবে বা গাছপালা জন্মাবে, সেটা কমে গেল। তো সেটা যদি কমে যায়, কি হয়, সয়েলে গাছপালা জন্মায় না। গাছপালা না জন্মালে দ্য সয়েল বিকামস বেয়ার, আর সেই সয়েলের ওপর দিয়ে যখন বৃষ্টির জল বয়ে যায় বা হাওয়া চলে, the soil is washed away and soil erosion is caused. Similarly, arsenic, lead, pesticide, chromium, etc., when these mix with the soil, naturally the soil gets polluted. দেখ, আরও অনেক কিছু আছে cause of soil pollution which has not been mentioned here. দেখ, আমরা কি করি, এটা তো তুই যে আমাদের কারখানা থেকে, হসপিটালস থেকে, রেস্টুরেন্ট থেকে, ইনফ্যাক্ট আমাদের বাড়িঘর থেকেও যে টনস অ্যান্ড টনস অফ গার্বেজ, যে গার্বেজের মধ্যে রাবার প্রোডাক্ট থাকে, গ্লাস প্রোডাক্ট থাকে, প্লাস্টিক প্রোডাক্ট থাকে, যেগুলো জমির সঙ্গে মিশে যায় না, এইগুলোকে নিয়ে আমরা কি করি, উই ডাম্প ইট ইন ডাম্প ইয়ার্ডস। অনেক সময় ভেরি ক্যাজুয়ালি, কেয়ারলেসলি আমরা এখানে সেখানে সেগুলোকে, এই ধরনের জিনিস যখন সয়েলের সঙ্গে মিশে যায়, বিকজ সি প্লাস্টিক্স ক্যানট গেট মিক্সড উইথ দ্য সয়েল, দে আর নন বায়োডিগ্রেডেবল, সো ফর গ্লাস, সো ফর রাবার প্রোডাক্টস। তো এইগুলো জমির সঙ্গে পড়ে থাকতে থাকতে কি হয়, জমিটা, দ্য ল্যান্ড বিকামস আনইউজেবল and it gets polluted. Now what are the effects of noise pollution? That noise pollution, noise কোত্থেকে আসে? এই গাড়ি চলার আওয়াজ, প্লেন ওড়ার আওয়াজ, কারখানার আওয়াজ, এবং sometimes we play microphones or music system at a very high pitch, and all these causes, vehicles, you find vehicles with loud horns, so all this causes loud sound pollution. When there is sound pollution, the most important effect of sound pollution is our sleep is disturbed, and if we cannot sleep well, naturally what happens, we suffer from a large number of problems like heart diseases, nervous problems, the flow of blood, circulation of blood in our body is disturbed, our digestive system is disturbed, we may suffer from heart diseases, so on and so forth. Next type of pollution is radiation. See, radiation is known to cause an increase in, radiation leads to, what happens because of radiation? There are two kinds of things which happens because of radiation. See, radiation is known to cause an increase in the, radiation causes many different reactions in the human body. Number one, among the immediate causes of radiation is, you suffer from acute radiation syndrome, and also from different radiation oriented sicknesses. Many effects of radiation come at a later stage which you don't realize immediately. Number one is leukemia. Leukemia means blood cancer. Next is carcinogenesis, and your lifespan gets shortened. Now what is this carcinogenesis? See, carcinogenesis means it is also kind of formation of cancer which changes your genetic traits. তোর যে ন্যাচারাল জেনেটিক ট্রেটস আছে সেইটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায় as a result of this radiation. And abnormalities মানে হচ্ছে পরবর্তীকালে you might have strange growths in your body, either externally or internally, so on and so forth. Genetic effects is your chromosome mutation is affected, and point mutation is also affected. See, here we can talk about the Bhopal gas tragedy. In Bhopal, on 3rd of December 1984, there was a factory called MIC. There was a factory called Union Carbide in Bhopal, and from the storage tank of that factory, 40 tons of methyl carbonate was released into the atmosphere. Bhopal, as you know, is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and nearly 35 to 40,000 people were killed in this accident, and many people who survived the accident for the remaining part of their lives, and not only they, even the children that they gave birth to later on came to be affected with various kind of nervous diseases and other diseases. See, the blood of the victims in the tragedy got permanently poisoned, leading to damage of their brain, kidneys, lungs, muscles, working of the intestine system, etc. MIC or methyl isocyanate also interfered with the reproductive ability of men, women and animals, and many plant species were also affected by the Bhopal gas tragedy. A similar kind of, and even perhaps on a greater degree, a tragedy occurred at Chernobyl, this is in Russia, on April 26, probably 1993 or something. Look at the, I can just one minute, I'll check and tell you. Chernobyl tragedy. See, this Chernobyl tragedy, it took place in Russia on 26th April 1986. What happened? It happened in the early, here nuclear gas from the nuclear, Chernobyl is basically it was basically a nuclear power plant, and from the nuclear reactor, nuclear gases leaked into the atmosphere. It happened in the early hours when the operations where operators were conducting an experiment in the nuclear plant premises. During the experiment, there was an explosion. The core of the reactor collapsed with water, combined with water to produce hydrogen. throwing toxic radioactive gases into the air. There were several incidents of death on the first few days. The reactor was packed in a steel container building to prevent spread of further harmful emissions. See, a Chernobyl disaster হয়েছিল because the nuclear plant was not well designed. এর ফলে কি হলো, দেখ, the operational negligence at Chernobyl and the poor plant design resulted in the spread of radioactive gases. পুরো western USSR and many European countries came to be contaminated by the gamma emissions which deposited in the soil. Meat and dairy product মানে দুধ, দই, cheese, all these kind of products came to be contaminated, and radioactive clouds traveled and spread dust all around over a very huge area. Thousands of people came to be exposed to Chernobyl accident, affecting living organisms. They may cause many physical disorders, variety of cancers and leukemia, not only in the people who are affected, but maybe the people even in the next generation whom these people will reproduce. And Chernobyl was a great example of the bad effect that is caused by nuclear wastes, and if we are not careful about handling nuclear power plants, nuclear energy, what might happen, how human beings might face destruction. Chernobyl was a great example of that. I'll upload this soon. Please go through the chapter once yourself. It's a very easy chapter. Go through it once yourself, and please call me up if you have any problem anyway. Thank you so much.